Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about our app, TourAI, an AI-powered travel app that creates personalized itineraries in seconds. Alright, let's dive right in. What exactly is TourAI, and how does it work? Well, TourAI is your ultimate travel companion, your digital best friend for all your adventures. TourAI is powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. It takes your travel preferences, interests, and budget into account to create personalized itineraries that go beyond the ordinary. Now let's talk about why you should use TourAI for your next trip. First and foremost, TourAI saves you precious time. No more hours of research and planning. It crafts a tailor-made itinerary for you in seconds. Second, it ensures you don't miss out on must-visit spots. TourAI's recommendations are based on your tastes, so you'll discover hidden gems you won't find in regular travel guides. So how do you use TourAI to create your dream itinerary? It's a piece of cake. Simply download the TourAI app from your app store, answer a few questions about your trip, and voila! TourAI works its magic and presents you with a personalized itinerary. You will even get transportation and budget tips. It's like having a personal travel planner right in your pocket. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, a sneak peek at some of the amazing itineraries TourAI can create. Whether you're into exploring historic cities, relaxing on pristine beaches, or immersing yourself in vibrant cultures, TourAI has got you covered. Well, there you have it, folks. The future of travel planning is here, and it's called TourAI. Say goodbye to stress and hello to unforgettable adventures. Don't wait. Download TourAI from your app store today and start exploring the world your way. Your next adventure is just a tap away. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels!